Hello, you're looking at a PEC 10,000 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Landco. This is a water cooled rectifier. It's 460 volt 3-phase. Currently have it hooked up to power. We've got a remote control hooked up here for testing purposes. We do have a load bank and a scope, and we'll operate it for you very shortly. Once again, this is a 10,000 amp 12 volt PEC rectifier brought to you by Landco. You can see the inside's in very good condition. We go through the rectifiers, test all components including the cooling system. You can see the control boards here. Everything's been checked out. Show you the data plate. Once again, this is a PEC 10,000 amp 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Landco, and we'll now operate it for you. If you're interested in a rectifier, any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Landco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.landco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.